Today, I'm going to be showing you how to remove and delete your Facebook video watch history. So I'm going to show you how to do this on my mobile device, but the same settings apply whether you're on your desktop or iPad or anything like that. So we're going to open up our Facebook here, and down in the bottom, you see your menu. You're going to click on that, and we're going to scroll down to where it says Settings and Privacy. And then we're going to click on Settings. And from here, we're going to scroll down. We're going to go down to Your Activity, and we're going to click on Activity Log. Now, here you have a lot of different options. You could clear out any of your activity that you've done on Facebook, however you want to do that. What we're talking about today, we're going to scroll across the bar here, and we're going to look for videos watched. So we're going to click on that. And this gives you a list of all the videos that you have watched on Facebook. Okay, so you have a couple options here. You could either click on the three dots and just delete individual videos that you want to remove from your watch, or you can just click on Clear Video Watch History. Are you sure? And click on Clear, and it'll remove all of your watch history. And you see the box pops up there that sometimes if you have a long watch history, if you haven't done this in a while, it takes a while to clear all that out. So just give it a few minutes to clear it out. And then when you open this up, that'll be clear and you can start with a fresh slate. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.